For this video, we're gonna try Ubja. Okay. Click a comment like I'm sorry if the one you like is okay. How much is it? Yo. Oh. Let's see. If you fall like that, you're safe here. It could be anything. A boy, a girl, perhaps neither. It is up to you. Okay, coming up now. Okay. Okay. That stars. It does get kind of lonely around here when no one is around. Yeah. It is nice to meet you though. I should have said that earlier. Wait, I was just like my face is as Thank you. It's nice to meet you, more kids in the big fire. We're glad you're here. Though I will say our time together might be really short. It just depends. Okay, let's see. I'm sorry if it gets a bit cold up here. If I can continue. Purple. Okay. Oh, again. Okay. PlayStation. Is that the Lord? Is that the Lord? Is that the Lord? You can see me now. Oh, I have it. Yo, I know. What? I used to look like you, but I changed. You're not that painfully please. Because it's like one day you have everything you want, and then the next life gets really hard. But it's easy. I promise. Let me go with you. So I'll be seeing us again someday. Wait, don't sleep. No, bro. No. Don't forget. Yo, don't leave. But I will go to the show this weekend. Yo, hey, don't leave. Yo, are you gonna leave? I'll always be here if you want to do this again. Wait, is he gonna leave? I love you. Wait, he's still gonna leave. He's gonna leave. He's gonna leave. Yo, thank you for playing. You can have. Thank you guys for watching the video and also subscribe to my friends CJ Macwood and Nana J.